In this video, we want to document clearly through the use of dimension drawings the characteristics and dimensions of our cams. So to begin with, we're going to start with the round cam, and we want to have the configuration variables up here set to the default values of 0.25 or 2.5, 0.25 and 0.25. Your cam should have a volume of 1.212, and let's get started. So we want to right click, create a drawing. You're going to choose a size A inch template. Yours may be the same as mine, it may be a little different. But once we're here, we're going to place the front view of the round cam right here. And it chooses 1:1 scale. We can live with that, I think. So we'll left click, pull over to the right, left click. And I'm not going to make a top view because it will be very similar to the right view due to the symmetry, but I will make an isometric view up here, and it'll be a little big, but we'll see if we can get it to work. So for the isometric, that's for our humans to kind of be able to see, so we'll give it color. But the other ones we're going to place the dimensions on. So for this one on the right view here, we want to show the hidden lines. There they are. And now we want to add some other features. So right up here we want to come to edge center lines. So we'll click there and there. And then we'll do that to the square hole as well. And this will give us lines that we can dimension to. And we could drag these lines all the way over so they meet. So it kind of makes it clear what that hole is. I'm going to leave it like it was, like that. But we want to add those. And then this one's pretty simple, of course. We just want to put the diameter here. And for the right view, I can press D on the keyboard to pull up the dimensions. So between here and here is 1/4 inch, as it should be. And then here it gets a little messy. So let's zoom up. We just need to document the size of this. Whoops. Let's zoom up even more. Document the size of this square. So let's try it like that. 1/4 inch. And then here to here, it's also going to be 1/4 inch, like that. And we can back off. And I think that is all that we need for this one. We could move the isometric over here, or conceivably we could put it in the middle and put that one over. But we've got the essential, whoops, we've got the essential content we need. And so let's move on to the next one. You want to make sure everything's right here. That's the eccentric. So if we click here to the eccentric, we check the configuration variables. Let's make sure that they're correct. They seem to be. Right click, create a drawing of the eccentric. We're going to use the size A inch template again. So I will click OK there. Failed to create drawing. I think I need to refresh. So let me do that. And press F to make it fit. There it is. Right click, create drawing. Size A inch. OK. And again, we're going to place the front view down here in the lower left, of course. And it's going to be 1:1. And then we'll come over here and put the right view. And again, I'm going to skip the top view, but I am going to include the isometric view. We've got some slowness today. That's unusual. Right click, show shaded view, and there's our eccentric cam. We again want to put the center lines here and here and here and here, and we want to press escape and then right click, show hidden lines on the right view, and we want to put the center line here as well. We know that we're going to document the thickness of the cam over here on the right view, so we'll click there, and let's move this guy over. There we go. And let's do the simple one here, which is there. It's 2.5 in diameter. And now we have this additional distance. We're going to go from the point to this line here and then pull out. So that is 0.625. I think that's 1/4 of the diameter. And now let's move this over, and we can add the dimensions of the interior hole like so. There's that one. And then let's see, how about this one? Do this one. Could put it out here like so. I think that pretty well documents it. So there we go. That's the eccentric cam. And I'm going to end the video here, and we'll pick it up in the next one. Thanks for watching.